In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download contacts from Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have a clean export you can open in a spreadsheet, share with your team, or store as a backup, all without any hassle. Start by opening your browser and heading to crm.zoho.com. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Use an account that has permission to export contacts, and for the smoothest experience, stick with a modern browser and a stable internet connection. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Sales. This opens the sales-related modules. From there, choose Contacts. You should now see your contact list in a table view with columns like name, email, phone, and any custom fields your organization uses. Take a quick glance to confirm you're in the correct module and that the list reflects the records you intend to export. Next, select all contacts. At the very top of the table, above the first row, there's a master checkbox. Click it to select every visible contact in the current view. If Zoho shows an option to select all records across multiple pages, use that so you capture the entire set, not just one page. It's a good idea to note the total number of selected records so you know what to expect in your exported file. Now open the More Actions menu by clicking the three dots, typically near the top right of the list view. From that menu, choose Export Selected Records. This brings up the export panel where you'll confirm how the file should be created. Choose your file type. CSV is the most universal format and works well with nearly any app, analytics tool, or database. XLSX is ideal if you're primarily using Excel and want a native spreadsheet file. Either option will include the data you selected, so pick the one that matches how you plan to use it. Next, select the character set, also called the char set. This controls how special characters are saved. UTF-8 is a safe default and the best choice if you have names or addresses with accents or non-Latin characters. If your organization relies on a specific encoding for legacy systems, match that here to avoid garbled text. When everything looks right, click Export. Zoho will generate the file and your browser should begin downloading it. Large exports might take a moment. Check your downloads folder, and if nothing appears, make sure the browser isn't blocking downloads. Keep the tab open until the process completes. That's it. You've exported your selected contacts from Zoho CRM. Keep the file secure and consider adding the date to the file name so it's easy to track versions. Thanks for watching.